Alright, so let's get started on Skibidi Toilet in the cute form. I'm gonna start with a curve right here for above his eye. Gonna pull down the inner portion of that eye. I'm gonna go over here now, the outside of that eye, like so. Now we're going to go over here for the inner part of the other side, other eye. Curve over here. Down. Line underneath. Line underneath. Right, so now we have both eyes right there. And again, this is like a cutish form, so what I'm doing is I'm making the eyes bigger, and I want you to, again, follow along with me as I'm doing this. I'm gonna go over here to the nose. I'm gonna pull line out, in. Just like a little nose, small little nose. Gonna go over here to the eye, curve. It's gonna be looking to the right. It always has more character when you look to the right, I've noticed. Or the left, it just looks like something's going on. Curve over here. I'm gonna throw a line down here, like a square, right, for the highlight. Same thing on this side. Gonna go over here, circle, fill it in. Over here now, circle, fill it in. Gonna go for the side of the cheek here, so I'm gonna curve on that side. I'm gonna pull in. Gonna go over here, pull this direction for the other side of the face. Curve over here for the ear. Curve over here for the inner portion of the ear. Smile. Edge of the smile. Gonna pull down because it has teeth showing, and then draw a curve right here back to the back of the smile there. Gonna draw a straight line downward, small straight lines every so often for the teeth. Now I'm gonna go over here and gonna start on the edge of the eye, and I'm gonna start with the curve of the top of the head. Right, it's kind of curving it around the corner right there, very circular. Continue to curve, and it's going to come down here, touching the ear, right there on that side. I'm going to go over here with the hairline, and I'm going to just a slight curve up. I'm going to carry this over here, and I'm going to throw an arc the other direction on this side. And over here on this side, I'm going to throw another arc on that side. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this lesson so far, just the way it is, like step by step. If you like this version of Skibidi Toilet, definitely hit that like if you can, and share the video if you can. If you find it worth your time, of course. Downward here, like so. We're going to draw a slight curve for above the eyebrow and a slight curve aiming downward for the other eyebrow. We're going to draw a neck, so just a straight line down and another straight line down. I'm going to draw a slight curved line up, but bigger. It's going to be the actual toilet itself. And then we're going to curve back on the back area, like so. Let's fill this area in now. I'm gonna fill it in. Want it to look like the dark of the toilet, right? The dark part of the bowl. Alright. So, I'm gonna draw another curve over here for kind of the outer portion of the bowl. Just like slight curve upward. Pulling around the edge, like so, around the edge on this side. And then we're gonna kind of keep it on that path on the other side. Gonna find the bottom of the bowl now, so I'm gonna go right here and go a straight line downward. Almost like he's in a basket. Downward over here. And then I'm gonna draw a curve connecting these two lines right there. Gonna pull a line downward for the bottom of the bowl, downward right here, and then also slight curve. And there's a lot of slight curves upward, I've noticed. Let's go over here now and draw on the back of the toilet seat. So it's gonna be a slightly curved line upward from his head. A large, elongated curve line back there. Gonna curve around the corner here just a bit, and then I'm gonna pull mostly straight line down like so. I'm gonna go over here, draw another line, completely follow that path again, curve over here, and then curve down here. Line out, line here, slightly angled, right? Small line, small line. Another small line over here. It's gonna be the top of the toilet bowl in the back. Sorry, the back of the toilet. Down, curve in there. Gonna pull a straight line down, curve toward the toilet bowl. Now I'm going to draw a line right here, just straight down. Line right here, straight down. And a line angling out. And a line right there. To show kind of it's a square in the back of that. And that's pretty much it. If you want to add on to it, you can draw a thicker line around the outside edge, which is something that I tend to do. Over here, got around the corner, and the reason I like doing that is because it gives it a little bit more of a solid design. Over here, like so. Maybe draw a thin line. There, thin line right here. Stick around for the next video that's going to be playing after this. You're going to really like it, so stick around. Don't forget to see the cute drawing ebook. That ebook is my gift to you. It's in the description. It's a completely free guide on how to draw anything cute. I lay out everything there. It's about 20 pages. There's hardly any reading at all. It's a lot of visual charts, like how big to make this, and it gives you a step-by-step. Go follow it. My gift to you is completely free in the description.